using a product that Shine Armor sent me. Shine Armor is a company that has a complete line of car care products for the interior of your car, exterior of your car, anything that you can need, they have. So they specifically sent me this graphene ceramic spray, and the first step to this is to wash and dry your car. They also sent me some microfiber towels to use with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my car all washed and dried off, and I'll put you guys on a time lapse and we'll check back in once that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this ceramic spray with the microfiber towels that they sent me. In order to apply this, you spray some on the towel, you wipe it on the area that you're trying to apply it, you let it sit for a couple minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and then you buff it out. You can use a clean microfiber towel to buff it out if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this line here that's on my hood already. I'm gonna apply the ceramic spray to half of the hood and leave the other half as it is, and then we will look and see if we can tell a difference. So you saw me applying some of it to my Jeep, but I did just want to walk through actually how to apply it real quick. So they did send me some microfiber towels as well. And the way that you apply this, it's super simple. You just spray some of your ceramic spray onto the microfiber towel and wipe it onto your car that way. They don't recommend spraying it directly on your car. They recommend spraying it onto the towel and then wiping your car with the towel. Obviously after you've washed it and dried it and all that good stuff. So then once you spray it on the towel and wipe your car, you want to let it sit for a couple minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and then go back over it with either a clean side of your towel or a completely different towel and just kind of buff it to a shine. And then you want to make sure that you allow it to cure for 4 hours before you expose it to any of the elements. You don't want it to get wet. So I just did mine in the garage and just let it sit here for about 4 hours. It's been a little longer, but as long as it's been 4 hours, you'll be good. I did this half of my hood. I have not done this half. Sorry, it's nighttime in here. So I have a light on, but hopefully you guys are picking this up. Looking at my hood, I applied it to the right side that you're looking at. On the camera, you can't really tell like a visual difference. In person, I can see a difference, and I can definitely feel a difference. This side that I applied it to is like a lot smoother to the touch, and this side is like, it feels rougher, I guess is the best way to describe it. So I can definitely feel a difference, and I can see a difference in person. The camera just is not doing a good job of picking it up. So the next thing I want to do is I want to just pour some water on the hood across it. See if we can tell a difference on how the water acts on the side that's treated versus the side that's not. I treated this half of the hood. I have not treated this half. So I'm just going to pour water over it, and we can see. So once I poured water over it, you can see that the side that I treated, the water just beaded off and is no longer really on the hood. There's a small amount, but compared to the side that I didn't treat yet, it's basically nothing. So the ceramic coating does make a difference in the water beading off of your car versus just my bare paint. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and treat this other side of my hood. That way my whole Jeep is done and treated before I have to drive it tomorrow. Again, just a huge shout out to Shine Armor for sending out this ceramic spray. So far, I am loving it. I will keep you guys updated on how it works, how it keeps my Jeep. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it helps keep my paint nice and clean and I don't have to wash it quite as often maybe. But I do have a link for you guys. I'll leave it in the description, and I'll leave all of the details for you down below. Make sure you guys go and check them out.